Hello, this is grammar class. Today we're going to see active and passive voice. Let's read something, a sad story. Last week I found a great apartment. Then the rent was reasonable. That's why I decided to throw a party the other night. The next day I was thrown out of it. Active or passive? I threw a party the other night. That is active, meaning I did something. Okay, when you do something, that is an active voice. I was thrown out of it. That is passive, meaning something was done to me. Okay? Form. The passive form with the verb to be in the appropriate tense, past participle of the main verb. The terrorist was arrested early this morning. Toyota cars are made in Japan. A new class representative will be chosen on Monday. These examples show that a passive sentence can be in whatever tense you like. The tense of the verb to be changes to give different tenses in the passive. So we can review the verb to be. Present simple, am, is, are. Present continuous tense, am, is, are, being. Present perfect tense, have been or has been. Past simple tense, was and were. Past continuous tense, was, were, being. The past perfect tense, had been. The future tense, will be. With modals, can be, will be, should be, may be, or must be. Do these sentences have the same meaning? What's the difference? So let me show you. Here we have a passive voice. The mouse was eaten by the cat. The active voice, the mouse ate the cat. So you see the difference there. The passive is more common in written than spoken English. Okay? I repeat. The passive is more common in written than spoken English. It sounds formal and impersonal, and for the reason is often used in reports of crimes, of legal procedures. Example, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison. Newspaper reports, the match was postponed due to a heavy fog. Scientific writing, 3 milliliters of water are added in the mixture. Announcements. Flight BA 302 to London is delayed by 2 hours. Notices. Customers are requested not to smoke. In every situation we use it when we do not know or care who performs the action. In other words, the passive is used when we are more interested in what happens to a thing or a person. Nevertheless, it is not unusual to mention that the actual there in a passive sentence, in that case we put them at the end of the sentence after the preposition by. Example, Great Expectations was written by Charles Dickens. Star Wars was directed by George Lucas. Now you have there a practice. So I will give you 1 minute so you can take a shot. Por favor, ahorita en ese momento le pueden tomar una captura para que ustedes lo realicen en su cuaderno. Necesito que lo escriban en su cuaderno. Esto es calificado como práctica de clase, ¿verdad? Entonces, creo que ahorita ya tenemos un minuto para que you take the shot, hacen la captura y luego ya ustedes lo transcriben en su cuaderno, tercer parcial, ¿verdad? Después de su portada, recuerden que eso yo necesito verlo también. Okay, let's continue. So here we have another sentences. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct passive form. Shampoo is tested on animals before it is sold in shops. You see there, you have in brackets the verb. You have to make it. This house was built in the 19th century. 2 missing children have been found safe and well. A new bridge will be constructed next year. Very good. Active or passive steps. Example, active. The postman delivers the letters at 9. Step 1. Identify the object of the active sentence and place it at the beginning of the passive sentence, the letters. Step 2. Identify the tense of the active verb and put the verb to be into the same tense, are. Then, step 2. Turn the main active verb into past participle form, deliver. So there we have the sentence now in passive. The letters are delivered at 9. So let me read again the sentence in active. The postman delivers the letters at 9. And in passive, the letters are delivered at 9. Okay. This also, I want you to practice the active and the passive in this sentence, okay? So there again, take the shot in this minute. You can take the shot and then you copy it in your notebooks. Okay. So there you have some answers. The suspect was arrested late last night. He was found after an intensive search. He was questioned and charged with murder by 2 detectives, and he will be taken to court later today. Okay, thanks for your attention. This is your work you have to do this week. Please try to work on your book on this page and write these sentences in active voice. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you.